All right, so just a quick video. In one of my previous videos, I did 5 things that you need to start a craft show business. 2 of them is how to display your product and how to transport your product from your car to your craft show. So I use these wood crates. This is what I'm currently using. I don't know if it's a good idea or not because I've already had one break on me. But the cool thing about this, if it doesn't break, is that you can put your stuff in here, transport it, and then actually set it up and lean your stuff up against it or put stuff on top of it, and it looks kind of nice in your booth. So a little bit of a rustic design, but the problem is I broke one of them already, and I'm a little bummed out about that, but I can fix it, not a big deal, and we'll move on. So that's it, just a quick video. Wanted to talk a little bit about how I transport and display some of my products. I just put them on this thing, and these crates work really well as long as they don't break. So that's it. Thanks for watching. How do I turn this thing off?